Imagine waking up in your dream home, a stunning townhome in Coral Springs that offers luxury, convenience, and space to make memories. Welcome to 9767 Riverside Drive, Unit 72, where every detail is designed for your comfort and enjoyment. With a recent price drop, this opportunity won't last long. Step inside this beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhome and experience modern living at its finest. The Gourmet Kitchen is a chef's paradise with sleek stainless steel appliances and plenty of counter space, perfect for preparing your favorite meals or hosting guests. The spacious living and dining areas are filled with natural light, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Upstairs, the master suite is your personal sanctuary, featuring a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a luxurious jet tub and an oversized walk-in closet to keep you organized. And don't forget the convenience of a washer and dryer right inside your home. No more trips to the laundromat. But the beauty doesn't stop there. Step outside to discover a screened porch and a spacious backyard, ideal for entertaining friends, family, or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the stars. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or relaxing with a good book, this space is perfect for all your outdoor dreams. Located in a peaceful Coral Springs community where you're just minutes away from top-rated schools, great shopping and dining options, everything you need is right at your doorstep. Ready to see it for yourself? The price has just been lowered and homes like this don't stay on the market for long. Join us this Sunday from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Enjoy refreshments while you tour this gorgeous property and imagine your life here. With its unbeatable features and prime location, this home is an opportunity you don't want to miss.